ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕತೆ ಓದೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ StoryWeaver.org ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ 11th ಅಥವಾ ಹಂತ 1 ಚಿತ್ರ ಸಹಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಹಾಗೂ ಓದಲು ಸುಲಭವಾಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ. In this video, let's read another story I have chosen from StoryWeaver.org, level 1, which is simpler to read as well as to understand. Let's read this story. Yarige Gaalipata. Gaalipata is kite. Yarige means to who, or for who is the kite. This is the story all about a boy playing with the kite. With his friends, all of them are having kite fight, and who will be winning in the game. Ago nodu Gaalipata jaggata. Gaalipata is kite. Ago look. Nodu is look. Ago nodu look there. Ago. Gaalipata jaggata. Jaggata is fight or competition. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆ ನೇರಳೆ ಪಟ ಸರ್ರನೆ ಹರಿಯಿತು. ನೇರಳೆ is color, purple color. ಸರ್ರನೆ is a sound. Hari is to tear. That purple kite got torn. ಛೆ, ಆ ಹಳದಿ ಪಟ ಗೋತಾ ಹೊಡಿತು. ಹಳದಿ is yellow. This yellow pata or yellow kite, it fell down, or it is detached from the string and it fell down. ಹಳದಿ ಪಟ ಗೋತಾ ಹೊಡಿತು is fell down. ಅದು ಆ ಕೆಂಪು ಪಟ ದಾರ ಕಡಿದು ಜಾರಿತು. ಅದು that ಕೆಂಪು is red. This ಕೆಂಪು ಪಟ ದಾರ is string. ಕಡಿ is to cut. ಜಾರಿತು, ಜಾರು is to slip. This red kite got detached from the string and slipped or fell down. ಹಾರು, ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿಗಿ. ಜಂಪ್, ಹೈ. ಹಾರು is to jump or fly. ಎತ್ತರ is height. ಜಿಗಿ is to jump. Jump or fly high. ನೀ ಕೈ ಚಾಚಿ ಹಿಡಿ. You stretch your hands and catch it. ಕೈ ಚಾಚು, ಕೈ is hand, ಚಾಚು is to stretch. ಹಿಡಿ, catch. ನೀ is you. ಬಿರಬಿರನೆ ಓಡು, then run quickly. ಬಿರಬಿರನೆ is running quickly. ಓಡು is to run. ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟುಕೋ. ಒಳಗೆ inside. ಸೇರಿ is ಬಚ್ಚಿಡು is to hide. You go inside and you hide that. You run fast, then catch that, go inside and hide that. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀ ಓಡು. Don't stop anywhere and just run. ಎಲ್ಲೂ, nowhere. ನಿಲ್ಲು is to stop. ಜಾರಿ ತೂರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿ ಓಡು. ಜಾರು is slip. ತೂರು is to squeeze. ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿ ಓಡು. ತಪ್ಪಿಸು is to escape. You squeeze or you slide. ಜಾರು is slip or slide. You slide or squeeze, however, just escape and run to save the kite. ತುಂಬಲು ಕಾಯದೆ ತೆನೆ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಗಾಡಿಯ ತೆಗೆ. Don't wait for this cart to fill. You just take out the cart. ತುಂಬಲು ಕಾಯದೆ ತೆನೆ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಗಾಡಿಯ ತೆಗೆ. ತುಂಬಲು is to fill. ಕಾಯು is to wait. ತೆನೆ crop. ಕೂಡಲೇ, immediately. Gadi is vehicle or cart. Tege is to remove. You don't wait for this cart to fill the crops and then move. You just immediately take out the cart. ಹಾರಿಸು, ಜಿಗಿಸು, ಸಂತೆ ಸುತ್ತ. You fly and you jump. Sante is market. You move around the market. You keep flying the kite. ವೇಗದಿ ಸಾಗು, ತಾಕದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ತಾಕು is to hit. ಸಾಗು is to move. ವೇಗ is speed. ಯಾರಿಗೂ, nobody. Don't hit anybody but move very fast. ಸರ ಸರ ಸಾಗು, ಸಿಗದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ಸರ ಸರ, ಸಾಗು is to, ಸಾಗು is move. ಸಿಗು is to get caught or find. ಯಾರಿಗೂ, nobody. Don't get caught by anybody. You move very fast. ಹೇ 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 ಹೇ, ನಾನೇ ಗೆದ್ದೆ. Hooray, I have won. ಗೆದ್ದೆ is won. I have won. ನಾನೇ, myself. ಕೆಂಪು ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಈಗ ನನ್ನದೇ. Now after running fast and catching, running everywhere in the market and just sliding, squeezing and running very quickly, he finally got that kite and he has won the game. ಕೆಂಪು ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಈಗ ನನ್ನದೇ. This red, ಕೆಂಪು is red, ಗಾಳಿಪಟ kite. ಈಗ, now, ನನ್ನದೇ, mine. Now this red kite is mine. This is all about the story ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ. I hope you like this story and as well as the narration. In the next video, we'll come up with another simple story. Please don't forget to like, share as well as to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.